Let's talk about Vietnamese coffee filter set. Also known as a Vietnamese coffee maker or press 8 ounces gravity insert 2-pack. Two-pack. Other filters look similar but are inferior. Pay 2 more for high-quality stainless steel Inox. Comes with printed instructions, also sent as a PDF. Made in Vietnam. Lifetime warranty. 8 ounce and 6 ounces is the traditional size. Great for home, office, travel, or camping. Easy clean. Paperless. Eco-friendly. RESUABLE. Unlike Keurig K Cups. Great alternative to a French press. Enjoy hot or iced Phe Sua. Restaurant quality. Use with Trung Nguyen or other ground coffee. Perfect for making Vietnamese coffee. Great idea to have a special coffee with your friend. The coffee with these filters tastes just like in the restaurant. I'm very pleased. These are good, but are not that easy to clean. I have started to use paper filters in mine, so in effect I'm using them as drippers, which works just great. I would buy these again possibly, but wouldn't use them exactly as they are designed for. My husband and I love these. Partnered with the Vietnamese coffee, it's just like being back in Vietnam.